Okay.
Let's go! Ha? Kailangan to. Kailangan to ng RCT. Yan si Dra, matik na to, naka-play na to eh. Pawis na lang ito. Let's go!
Number 13. May foul agad.
Ay, gusto! Rinan! Ano mo yan, Rinan? Kakapasok ko na
Foul number 16. Pushing foul.
Yan eh.
Ganda ng shoes mo, tapos foul lang.
Una free throw agad.
Ganda ng shoes. Foul lang.
Second free throw. Basket. Basket for Ray. Babawi nga for Ray. No good. Number 4 to number 13 na naman. Bang! Marie! No good. Rebel by 7-7. Basket went to 7-7.
Tinatalawa ka na dyan, Renan. Ano ka ba? Hindi ka ba nakakaramdam?
Lamang ka sa number, 16 sa 13 lang.
28. 16. To number 26 ay pinasa kay Blue. Number 4. Number 4. May foul. Foul si number. Number 77. 77 foul. Unang free throw. Wala. Second free throw. No good again. Six. Foul. Foul si number 13. 13 foul. Baik.
Araw-araw dito. Ano ba yun?
Number 4. Number basket with number 9. They score 9-5. No good. Rebound by number 36. May foul si numero 26. 26 foul.
Shout out mo si Daya Daya.
Shout out kay Daya Daya dyan. Number 4. 4 to number 9. No good. Number 8. Number 8. May foul. Foul si number 13. Hit to the head. First free throw. Wala. Second free throw, basket. Number 4 to number 9. Number 9, no good. Rebel by number 7-7. 7-7. 7-7. Oh, steal by number 4. Number 4, number 4. Number 4. Voila. 16. Number 16. Number 16, tira daw, bang, away! It's a tie. Babawi, no good. Well, by 7-7. 7-7 pass to number 16. 16. Basket by Trula. Number 20, no good. Same ball.
Ano number na ba? 3?
13, pass to number 4, 4-3, no good. Laro by number 7-7. 7-7 to number 8, number 8, number 8, basket. Score RCT 13-9 Citra. Number 4. Oh, what a move by number 4. Number 16 again for 3. No good. Wala na. Number 13. 13. Same ball.
Subset? Ano ba?
Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 10 seconds shoot. 13. Number 13. By foul. By foul si number 26. Sabrep. Substitution. First free throw. Basket.
Lakas ng RCT ah.
Lakas nga?
Second free throw.
Ano ba ito?
Basket pa rin.
5-9 ba ito?
It's a tie. Oh, pinasa number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. No good. My foul. Penalty. Foul si number 3. Penalty. Sabrep. First free throw. No good. Second free throw. Wala ba rin? 7-7. To number 3. Number 3, pass to number 7-7. 7-7, no good. Steal. Rebound by number 4. To number 13. 13, no good. 13. To number 4. Number 4. Number 4, no good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, 4-3. Rebound by number 4. 4. To number 9, no good. Rebound by number 3. Ay. 16. Oh, no good. Number 3. Basket. Easy basket. Well, number 3.
Sige, sir.
46-43. No good. Rebound by number 77. Agaw. Kuha ni number 3. Number 3. Number 3 Bagaw. Pass to number 8. To number 77. To number 8. To number 26. Same ball.
Sab tayo, sab.
Sabre. 7-7. No good. Taken by number 24. To number 13. 13. Oy. Sayang lang. Number 3. Bago. 7-7. No good. Rebel by 87. Stepping in line. (26) by foul. Foul si number 87. Sabre. Unang free throw. Wala. Score 15 RCT, Sidra 13. Basket. Simbol. Ay. Number 3. Pass to number 3. Basket.
Sagot siya siya ya.
46, 4-3, bang! For free! Five, or 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And of the first quarter score 18-16. RCT up by 2. This game runs away is for Zavara. Kusina Pinoy, Vietnam, Faith, and the restaurant, and yours, Zavara. Number 2. Number 3. Travelay. Oh, double dribble. (24) Oy. The mobile number by foul. Foul si number 46. 46 foul.
Peso.
46 basket. Is a tie again. Number 2. Number 2. Super pala. 18 all. Number 3. Oy, wala pinasa. Oy, turnover. Number 24. Okay. 46. Oh, still 24 on 24 to number 2 is still way number 24. 20 to number 46. 46 to Mirana 3. No good. May pushing foul si numero 2. Number 2 foul. Basket. Oi, still by number 46. Number 46 now, no, 46 pass to number 24. Time out! Our City.
Okay, so balik ka, Gisle.
This time out brought to you by V Sports Apparel. Kusinang Pinoy Benta, Cafe at Restaurant. Andrews Apparel. Seven, pass to number 24, itinira, bumasa. Number 4, tumira na 3, no good. Rebound by number 9, pass back. Seven, pass to number 77, no good. Rebound by number 24. Symbol. Number 2, no good. Symbol again. 71.
Pasa na yun.
Oy.
Go, go!
7 to number 7, no good. Rebound by low ball. 46. 46. No good. Oh, still by number 13 to number 24 to number 9. Basket by number 9. Number 7 pass to number 71, agaw by number 13. Ay, foul si number 7. Number 7 foul. 46, pass to number 4. Number 4, no good. Rebound by 7-7. Ay. Basket by number 24. Timeout! RCT. RCT again, timeout. This timeout brought to you by B Sports Samaran. Kusina Pinoy, Vita, Vegan Restaurant, Cheers Samaran. Seven. Tumira na tres. Uy, umulog palabas. Number 7. Basket na. Score 20. Sidra 22. RC 24. Hoy. Steve. Number 24. 24. No good. Rebound by number 4. 4 to number 20. To number 46. No good. To number 2. Basket. 46 now. 46. Basket. 6-point lead. 30-24. Score. My foul. See number 4.
Yep.
Number 7. Oi. To number. Ay, pamili dyan.
Hindi makapinitrita maayos kasi.
4-6 na naman. 4-6. Tumira na tres. No good. Rebound by number 24. 24. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2 to number 71. Ay. Kabitawan. Number 4 now. 4 to number 24. My foul. Foul number 7. Black foul. Second personal foul, number 7. Third team foul. Unang free throw. Basket.
Ano sabay? Ha? Peter Sik.
Second free throw, no good. Rebound by 7. To number 7. Number 7 pass to number 24. Tumira na tres. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 to number 24. Pass to number 87. Oh, gumapang pa. Number 7. Oy. Foul.
Pasok ko si Jit.
Number 46. Substitution. Sige sir, pasok. Sige sir.
Pagkita mo si Stone, 71.
Number 71 for 3. No good. Foul. Foul si number 87. Holding out. Holding foul.
Holding hands.
No good. Rebound by 71. 10 seconds to shoot. 7. Basket by number 7. Number 9 by foul. Foul si number 26. Illegal use of hand. 2 shots. Second free throw basket.
Chris, bola Chris.
Seven. Pass to number 71. 71. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. 46 to number 87. No good. 87 pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. 46. Number 46 for 3. Wala. My foul. Number 20. Holding foul. Thirty-two seconds remaining. Traveling violation. 24 seconds remaining. 24 seconds remaining.
Mahirap sila lumusok dyan sa mic. Basic lang yun eh. Hindi mo na kailangan lumusok.
10 seconds. 8 7 6. Oh, may 5 seconds.
Baba, Chris!
5 seconds. 4 3 2 1 0. For free.
Violation. Lampas 5 seconds pa naman eh. Pag 4 seconds pa baba, diretso na tayo. 5 seconds up eh. Patay tayo.
The score 34-29 in of the second quarter.
Shout out sa Mia.
Number 4 to number 46 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. To number. Oy, nandun na. Basket by number 71.
Takbong mayaman, no?
Depensa lang tayo, depensa!
Ito ako, upo.
No good. Rebound by my foul. Foul number 4.
Bola, bola! Okay, bang!
Opportunity to number 2. Oy, still by number 4 to number 46. 46. Ay, foul. May wave tayo. May wave si number 2. C4. Number 4. Number 2 pala. Number 2. Unang free throw basket. Second free throw. Wala. Okay. To number 4. To number 24. 24 to number 20. 46. 46 to number 13. 13. 18. Oh, no good. He scored 35-31. Cedra up by 4. Ay. Simbol.
Malamig.
Ready. To number 71. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, what a move by number 71.
Nagpakita ng gilas.
Number 4 to number 46 to number 13. Number 4, 10 seconds to shoot. May foul. May blocking foul tayo. Si numero 13. Number 13 foul. Eight seconds to shoot. 5, 4. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 again. Number 4 pass. Okay. Number 2. Oy, steal. By foul. Number 13 foul. Holding foul. Basket by number 28.
35-37.
4 to number 46, 4, 3, no good. Number 2. Pabling. Violation. Sabre. Substitution. To number 4. Number 4 now. Number 4, no good. Well by number 3. 71 to number 3. Number 3. Ay, nawala ang bola.
Ang ilap ng bola. Ang ilap ng bola.
46. 46, 4-3. No good. Number 2. Number 2 to number 28. Basket. Sa tayo again. Number 9. Pass to number 4. Number 4, 4-3. Oh, single. 24, 4-3. Bang! Away! They score 40, Cedra 37, RCT. Babawi, no good. Rebound by number 3, no good. Rebound by number 9. Oy, agaw. 71, pass to number 24. 24, no good. Number 24. No good. 24 again.
Makatala si Jeremy Awi.
Nauna yung chan niya.
21 to number 28. Basket. Time out! Cedra.
Isa lang ang laban. Takip mo na.
And score 40-39.
Ilalim, maluwag ilalim nyo.
46 to number 4. Number 4. May foul. Foul si number 2. Oh, number 3. Number 3 foul. 3. Tulay. Yes, 4-6, 4-3, no good. Rebound by 77. To number 2. Number 2.
Diretso.
Number 2. Wala. Rebel by 13. 13 to number 24. 24. 24. Sa kanya nga. Number 24. Wala pa rin. Rebel by number 24. Maliwanag.
Wala, good.
No good. Rebel 77. He's still by number 4. Number 4 Number 4. Number 4. No good. No good.
Dalawa isa.
Tulay, di ba?
20. 20. Pass. Number 3.
Muntik pa na.
Sige sa.
Makarelax.
Number 4. Number 4. Pass kay number 4. 77. Oh, yun nakalusot. Pass kay.
Sir, excuse me, konti sir.
46. 46 now. 46 to number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. 4-3, no good. Rebel by number 46 to number 24. 46 to number 5. Number 4, no good. Number 3. Time out! RCT. This time out brought to you by B Sports Apparel. Kusinang Pinoy Benta, Cafe, and Restaurant. Yours Apparel. Ball game. Ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 54 remaining. No good. Rebel by 4 seconds. Symbol. 4 seconds remaining. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Good.
Wala na, ano. Bilang.
Baba. Screen kayo.
Over to B. Oh, nice pass. $45, $42. RCT up by 3. Hoy, 24. Hoy, agaw.
Wag.
Nandun na naman siya. Break! Basket.
Baba! Hindi tayo pahinga!
50 seconds remaining. 46. No, good. May foul. Tingin ba foul? Number 77. Technical foul. Sabrep? Hindi pala.
Napapasok lang.
Okay, technical free throw. Hindi umaba.
Ang ganda nang nilalaro. Walang pati.
maganda na nilalaro siya.
Uli. Ayun na. Ayun na.
10 seconds. Number 20. 5 seconds to shoot. 24. May foul. May foul. Foul si penalty number 77. Legal contact. Thirty-two seconds remaining.
Yan na. Bigay, baba. Tara na.
Number 7, no good. Rebound by number 26. No good. No good again. May foul na. May foul si number 13. 13 foul. Number 13. Third personal foul, number 13. Unang free throw. Basket.
Di, abot tayo.
Second free throw. No good.
Tao.
17 seconds remaining.
Tao na. Ayan, ganyan.
24 by foul. May foul si number 8. Blocking foul number 8. Sap? Oh, sige, Sap. Pasok. 7 seconds remaining. 2 shots by number 24.
Baba na, pre. Huwag na kayo sumundot dito sa ibabaw. Wala namang ring doon.
Unang free throw naman.
Wala namang ring doon eh. Bantay kayo ng bantay sa ibabaw.
Second free throw. Basket.
O, baba na.
Kaya
Baba na, pre.
pa yan. Baba.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. End of the third quarter. Score 48-43. RCT up by 5.
First. End of first two eh. James!
Dapat hindi lang nagkakalunan. Box out lahat. Kung sino ang papasok sa kanila, yun ang pamunin nyo.
Ay, muntik na mas din. Hindi, still na. Hindi pa rin. Ay, yun na, still. Ready? To number 8 for 3. Bang! For 3.
Ayun na,
Number 4. Basket by number 4.
Kabila. Balik uli. Pisto.
28. PG foul. PG foul by number 28.
Baba.
Numero 28. Offensive foul. Number 4. PG foul by number 4. Number 4. Offensive foul. Number 24. My foul. 2 shots.
Jowa, magtaksi ka muna, Jowa.
Number 4 again. Third personal foul.
Jowa, magtaksi ka muna, Jowa. Jowa, magtaksi ka muna. Magtaksi ka
Third
muna.
personal foul, number 4. Unang free throw. Wala. Second
Taksi ka muna, Jowa.
free throw. Basket.
Kunin mo yan, Rodel. Kunin mo. Rodel, wag mo iwanan, Rodel. Wag mo iwanan. Wag mo iwanan, Rodel.
24, 87. To number 24. May kasama mong foul. Number 3. Number 3 foul. Host number 3. Si Abay. Third personal foul. Number 3. Ay. May pushing foul. Si number UF tayo. Si number 46.
Magsimbol, si magsimbol.
C1 tayo, C1, UF.
UF number 40.
No legitimate to play by the ball, okay?
No legitimate to play the ball. C4. C3 pala. C1. Ano ba talaga? C1.
Cinema 1 global yun.
Wala. Last ball possession.
Tulay, diyan ka lang sa gitna, Tulay. Diyan ka lang sa gitna, Tulay. Baka umalis. Sus, Tulay.
Number 28, 4-3, bang! Tinamaan ng malakas. Ay, dos lang pala. Dos lang nakapak si Amigo. To number 4, no good.
Ayun na. Go! Ayun na.
28, pinasa na number 7, basket.
So, palit. Palit.
87 now. 87,
Pilay na nga yun, no?
24.
Hawak.
Oh, good.
Oh, ayay. Angat.
20. Oh, Sabrep. Substitution.
Sige, diyan ka lang.
Diyan ka lang muna. Kwenta.
Number 4. My foul. 28 foul. Illegal use of number 28, third personal foul.
Oh, Luy, nakatingin na.
Number 13 to number 24. Binali-balik.
Bawas.
Number 2. So good. Ay, still by number 24.
Wag!
24, 18 napon. Natapon na.
Tinapon. Ayan, nagmamadali.
Chris!
Di ba, huwag mo sabihan.
Ang pakalayo ng taikot ko.
28.
Ito, sa bila.
To number 2. Number 2, pinasa ka number 3. 28, basket by number 20. Score 58-47. 11.3 RCT.
Jeremy, nandun yung celebrate.
46-43. Bang!
Balik.
Bang, bang.
8 to number 24. 24 to Vera na dress. No good. Problem by number 4. Number 4 now. Number 4. Number 4 nakalusot. Hindi lang pumasok.
Ayun na, si Chris. Naku, wala na naman.
Basket by number 2.
Pasok naman eh.
Inunahan eh. Number 46. 18 ulang. Basket by
Tama.
Jeffrey din to.
Ano, baba.
number 3. Number 3. So, number 20. Pinasa ka number 24. No good.
Wala na ang panahon.
Oh. Last
Tayo,
time.
pahinga, baba tayo, pahinga.
Citrus ball.
Si ano, si Jeremy.
Dalawa. Time out, Citra.
Sige na ako ng...
This time out brought to you by Reese Sports Sabana. Kusina Pinoy, Vinta, Cafe, and Restaurant. Yours, Sabana. Number 24, no good. Remo by Sabana. Pass number 2. Number 2. Pinasa ka number 8. To number 3. Number 3 to number 20. Number 8. Number 8. No good. Pinasa. Remo by number 2. Attention. Number 3. No good. Remo. Stepping in line. Tumama sa poste. Kitang-kita.
Harap. Oh, ayun na.
48. Ay, huli ba yung number 2? Lumilipad na naman. Pasok. Last 4 minutes and 38.
Sabi Gisli, huwag yung pigila, huwag yung unahan.
24. Stepping in line.
Bantayan mo, matatakot sa iya kasi yung buhok mo eh, nakaano.
Number 2 na naman.
Akala ka na mature garden ka eh.
28 pass number. Oh, wala eye contact.
Okay na, harap. Harap, huwag kayo magturuan. Yan. Oh.
Ano kayo, teacher?
Basket by number 9.
Ano kayo, teacher? Nagtuturo kayo.
Last 4 minutes. Ready, nakalusot. To number 8.
Yan, nice.
7-7.
Pero mo Gisli.
Number 8 ang titira. No good. Rebel by number 9. To number 46. 46. To number 4. Number 4. Number 4. No good. To number 9.
Nyo kasi,
Nabal.
pinapanood nyo.
Time out.
City.
Time out. Oh, time out muna bago pa. Foul number 2.
Number 2 foul.
Pahinga din cellphone. Ay. This guy was brought to you by Berto.
Last 3 minutes and 33. Warning for penalty. RCT. Una free throw wala.
Wala yun. Fourth quarter. Wala.
Score 64. 54. Oy. Rebel by number 46. Oy. Nakuha. Number 2. Basket by number 2. 46. Hindi na sinabayan. Seven. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 71. Humakbang. Oh, nice pass. Number 46. Basket by number 46 again. Number 3, wala pa din. 7-7 pa ba? Basket. 46. Nah, 46 naman. No good. Rebel by number. Ay, baba. Penalty. UAF na naman. May UAF naman tayo. UAF si number 7. ref. Substitution. 2 shots plus ball position. Last 2 minutes and 23. Unang free throw, wala. Second free throw, wala pa rin. UF yan. Ball position. Labas mo na. Very 4 to number 13, no good. Rebel by 77. 77 to number 8. Number 38. To number 71. 71 pass to number 3, basket. Last 2 minutes. Number 9, 4-3. Wala. Lumabas. 71 itira ba? Basket na by number 71.
Magpaul ka.
Basket. May kasama pa foul. Timeout! RCT. Timeout si RCT. No more timeout ha, RCT.
Basa na ba yan? Yung basa.
Is timeout brought to by B-Sports Samaral, Kusinong Pinoy, Venta, Cafe, and Restaurant, Jurors Samaral. Number 9. Bonus free throw? Wala. Oy. Good. Number 20. Number 20. Basket by number 20. Pass to number 3.
3 seconds, shot clock.
Number 3.
Bang!
No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 4. Last 1 minute. Number 6. Number 13. Basket. 71. Nag-antay pa.
Depensa!
Last 38. Number 9. No it. 71. 80 mo na 3. Sa 3. Ulok ka na. Ay exhibition. Last 20. 13. Malakas. 14. Pass up.
Boss Renan!
Last 8 seconds. Pass given by number 71. Final score 76-66. Congratulations, brother.